Okay, now I will redo the test for the GEEBOON tip. Same conditions, 30 degrees, 330 degrees setting for the tip temperature. I will start the test at 30 seconds, 29, 30 seconds. Okay, 2 point, it is fluctuating around 1, 2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. It reaches 2 amps here. Okay, let's 100% power level, 330 degrees setting. Let's wait for the 1 minute mark testing. The power is fluctuating at a higher level than the JBC. The temperature on the JBC reached 233. The GEEBOON has already surpassed this temperature. Let's wait the 1 minute mark. 59, 1 minute, 255 degrees. The JBC is the GEEBOON is a higher power level than the original JBC.